instructional videos over textbook pages 198 and 199. How does a qualitative graph describe the relationship between quantities? The graph shows the relationship without using numbers. The intervals on the graph are described as increasing, decreasing, or constant. Number 2, how would knowing the slope of a linear function help determine whether the function is increasing or decreasing? If the slope is positive, that would be an increasing graph. If the slope is negative, it would be a decreasing graph. If the slope is 0, that would be a constant graph. 3. What kind of graph of a function shows the same output values, y values, for each input value, x value? If they all have the same output values, that would be a graph with no change. For example, when we were solving our tables with our x and y values, and they all had the same output value, the same y value, that would be a pattern of 0. If we have a slope of 0 or the same output, that is represented by a constant graph. It would be a straight horizontal line. What does the graph of the function at each interval represent? So at interval 1, the graph is increasing. Meaning, as time increases, the height increases also. So we're referencing time and height, the sides of the graph. At interval 2, the graph is decreasing, meaning as time increases, the height decreases. In which intervals is the function increasing, decreasing, or constant? So increasing intervals mean that it's going up. We can see that it's going up here at section 3, and it is also increasing going up at section 4. So intervals 3 and 4 are increasing. For decreasing sections, decreasing means going down, so that would be section 2 and section 6. Constant is graphs that are flat, so straight across, which is 1 and 5. 6. Use the graph to complete the statements. The function is blank in intervals 1, 3, and 6. So interval 1 is increasing, interval 3 is also increasing, and interval 6 is increasing. The function is blank in intervals 2 and 5. 2 is going down, 5 is also going down, meaning it is decreasing. And then the last one, the function is constant. Constant means flat. The function is constant at interval number 4. The graph shows the temperature in Paula's house over time after her mother turned on the air conditioner. Describe the relationship between the two quantities. So we can tell that that line is decreasing. And so if it is decreasing, we would say that the temperature, because that's our side of our graph, the temperature decreases as time, that's the bottom of the graph, time increases. You have a device that monitors the voltage across a lamp over time. The results are shown in the graph. Describe the behavior of the function in each interval. So for interval A, that is going up, meaning it is increasing. In interval B, it's flat, meaning it's constant. In interval C, it is going down, meaning it is decreasing. And in interval D, it is flat again, meaning it is constant. The graph below shows the height of a roller coaster over time during a single ride. Circle the intervals in which the function is increasing. So it would be increasing here at the beginning in section 1. Section 2 is going down. Section 3 is also increasing. Section 4 goes down. Section 5 is increasing, and section 6 is going down. The question asks, in which interval is the increase the greatest? Interval number 1 has the greatest increase. The graph shows the speed of a car over time. What might the constant intervals in the function represent? The constant intervals represent the speed not changing. In interval 2, and 5, the speed is high, but not changing. Almost as if the cruise control was set on a car. In interval 3, the speed is 0, meaning the car stopped.